You know, a few people have written this question here. That right now we see so much of corruption and negative emotions building up in the world. There's so much of terrorism and hatred and killings happening. Will it all come to an end? That is the question. And where is all this leading to? I want to share a secret with you. Do you want to know? Yes. Some people say yes by heart, so we are just considering that. We are in a time of such a peculiar time, I feel, where if you know these three words, tamas, rajas and sattva. Tamas is the darkness and heaviness and rajas is the activity and sattva is the purity. In the world consciousness, if you notice right now, we can experience this huge amount of tamas all over. Where manipulations and deceit and wrong has become a way of life. But in the next few years, starting from 2011 July, the whole world is going to go through this tremendous transformation from extremely solid tamas to pure sattva in the next 6 to 7 years is what we are going to experience. And July 2nd and 3rd Berlin event is going to be that trigger. I remember in 2006 February, the Art of Living Foundation celebrated its 25th anniversary. The Silver Jubilee celebration happened in Bangalore, India. And 2.7 million people meditated together on that day. It was unbelievable, unprecedented event. And I remember in that event, Guruji asked each one of us to ask for one wish. Whatever is the most important for you in your life, you could ask one wish. And I remember all of us wished. And Guruji prayed for all of us. I remember he blessed us. After that event, I personally received at least 200 phone calls from different parts of the world, sharing that their wish got fulfilled. What I'm trying to say is, it is not about those 2 days of celebration that counts. What is going to happen to our lives through those 2 days, that will manifest later on. It's like, if the life would have gone in a particular direction, A turning point comes, a little diversion happens, but in a little while you will see the life takes a huge detour. Yes? That's what I mean. These are like landmark events of our lives. I guarantee you, if you look at your whole life of 60, 70, 80 years, whatever, there are most important events of your life, right? Some events which have the highest value in your life. This Berlin event is going to be one of them, if you happen to be there. I urge you, I request you, don't miss it. I know it for sure, Guruji has something extremely big lined up. Whoever is going to be there will experience that. I know it's going to be a little difficult to arrange for things and adjust schedules, but all that you need to do to be there is going to be worth it and much, much more. So if you have already decided to go, pat your back. If you have not decided to go, please now make up your mind. If any one of us, any volunteers, any one of those volunteers, if they can be of any help to you so that you can be there, they will be very happy to be that help to you. Okay. I want to ask a question. Do you all trust me?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody didn't say yes. In this little association that we had so far, if you trust me, please be there. Don't miss. Please. Tell me, how many of us have already decided to be there? Fantastic. How many of us are not yet sure? Okay. Is there anything that I can do so that you can be sure?
Change the stars. Change the stars.
Change the stars. Specifically to change your stars, Guruji is calling you there. Okay, let's do one thing. If you have a wish to go and you have some difficulties, let us all pray so that all those difficulties, all those hurdles will naturally fall away so that the door opens for you to go there.